welcome back to Chelsey's Laboratory. So, you can see back there, there's some glue. You're wondering why. It's because I'm going to make slime today. So what you're going to need for this slime is some shaving cream, some glitter, a bowl to put your slime in, and then some glue. And then you're going to need also something to mix with. You already know. Something to mix with. So let's get started for this. Okay, so what you're going to need is your bowl right now. And then the first thing you're going to put in there is some glue. However much glue you put in there is however much slime you're going to get. Whoa. What is this? Okay. Oh, it's cool. Okay, so we got it out. So, yeah. I'm going to pour like maybe that much. That's maybe how much slime I'm going to get. So, now what you're going to do is you're going to mix it. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to put your shaving cream. You have to always shake it first. Pretty like that much. There's not really measurements.
Give David that burger. Give David that burger.
So it's gonna turn like a really kind of good mixture. So that's how it's gonna look. So now what you're gonna do is the fun part. You're gonna put your favorite color food coloring. So I'm gonna add some of this blue.
He's taking a shit right.
Exactly.
Okay. And Chelsea's recording on YouTube and you're saying she's shitting.
So this is the color that you're gonna get if you it's already like turning like that. So the next thing you're gonna need is some borax. You're gonna pour a little bit of borax in there, maybe like that much. Pour it all in there, and then after that, you're gonna add a little bit of water. Turn it on. Okay, so maybe that's how much water you're gonna need. It's already turning into slime. Oh, look at that. See? That's what it's gonna look like. So this is a fluffy. Oh my gosh, it's kind of sticking, but not really. Ow, that water's hot. Okay, so that's in the way. Oh, please don't fall. Okay, so you're just gonna keep mixing.